what does sales artificial intelligence mean? What does sales AI mean? In this video, I'm just going to help you understand what is the difference between sales AI and artificial intelligence. Now, because artificial intelligence is relatively new, somehow everyone is confusing AI to be everything. But what AI means, it just means they are getting the intelligence of the entire internet and putting it within a computer. Look at it more or less like how you get the human brain and you put it into a computer. Now, what that means is that intelligence you have put in can be used for several purposes. Some use cases are things like generative AI, which are things like Chat GPT, where you literally ask it a question and it will give you, just like how you would have asked someone a question and he responds to that answer. So that intelligence can be used for several use cases. Generative AI is just one component, but just like it's used within generative intelligence, it can also be used for sales. So that now you're using that overall brain exclusively for the sales component. Now, inside sales, there are different steps within that entire process. The usual sales process will have stages like number one, prospecting. Number two, initial sales conversations, where you're initiating conversations. Number three, there's what they call follow-up. Number four, there's what they call closing. Number five, there's what they call review and analytics. So within each and every one of those stages, that is now where sales AI comes to help you improve on how you're doing each and every one of those processes within sales. As an example, when it comes to prospecting, you can use tools like the Tremby Sales AI, where you will literally just instruct it that, you know what, I'm looking for people that fit this criteria, who work in hospitals, that are in this age range, that do this and this, that are interested in that and the other, and located within Nairobi. And for it will now begin triangulating and picking for you people across the internet that fit that given criteria that has been selected. Same thing applies when you go to level 2, which is the initial sales conversation. AI can now still be used. You can literally tell it that, you know what, I'm trying to write a message that says this and that, says this and the other. So come up with a message for me, and it will help you literally generate whatever the message it is you want to. Like I said, sales AI is just literally pinpointing this artificial intelligence to sales processes specifically, to ease the process of what the sales guy would have needed to do at large scale. You go to layer number 3, which is literally follow-up. It can advise you, and you know what, based on what I have seen, on average, once you respond to someone in 3 days, they tend to be more attentive. They tend to open these emails a lot better. Same thing applies to the analytics. You can literally ask questions. As an example, based on the current trend I'm seeing, what do you anticipate will be our revenue over the next 6 months? And logically, using your actual sales data, the AI tools will be able to tell you, you know what, from what I'm seeing, this is not working, here is what's working. So meaning we need to stop doing more scenarios like ABC and focus on DEF, because that's what has worked, depending on how many people have opened these emails, how many people have clicked your WhatsApps, how many people have opened your SMSs and clicked them. So in a nutshell, what sells AI is just using this artificial intelligence, but in a specific use case, just like how you would have used AI in health specifically. And this time around, we're using AI for sales specifically. And you all very well know the power of what artificial intelligence has done so far in every other sphere. Now, at the moment, yes, we're still at the inception, but even the results at this inception are powerful. Simply using tools like the Tremby Sales AI will give you an undoubted advantage. With such a tool, 6 months down the road, you would have a lot more power over an individual. So look at it like having a robot, meaning the robot does not need sleep, does not need to eat, and all it's doing for you from morning to evening is just trying to sell. So in a nutshell, this will just help you understand that too. Artificial intelligence is intelligence of like a brain that has been infused with all the knowledge of the internet. Now, Cells AI is literally just a specific subset and saying all we're doing is using that same intelligence for one purpose, which is cells, and breaking down these different processes and infusing AI into them to help you get better results from them all. So in a nutshell, that is what the difference is. And check out the Tremby Cells AI tool. It's a powerful tool. It's literally AI that has been built exclusively to sell for you.